Hello, everybody, and in the series of great books, we have a new frontier book. I call it a frontier book because I believe it is a peak that has been taken in the field of economics by George Reisman. He has combined values uh, with the working of economics of capitalism. Capitalism combined with values. We can call it liberal capitalism. And he has taken it to the peak. Capitalism is usually taken as a market. Capitalism is not about the market. Capitalism is about liberty, about each person being individually free, and how that works out in practice, philosophically and economically and politically. So, in a way, it's a maybe the greatest subject because it literally deals with life and death. Literally. Anyway, so this is the Capitalism by George Reisman, and there's a preface. It's a long book, but as is our policy, we'll take 5 minutes only for each video. We'll go on and on as many as it takes, because our purpose is not anything other than savoring, enjoying, taking out the wisdom and truth in it, and applying it in real life, changing the world. Let's start. Preface. This book is a product. This book is a product of a labor of love. This is true. Extending over many years. I conceived of it as an explicit project at least as far back as the spring of 1977, when I made a several page long list of the major points it would contain. Although I was eager to begin writing it at once, one thing after another interfered. The most important being finding a publisher for my previous book, The Government Against the Economy. I read this book long back, which I had only recently completed. As a result of this, and a considerable variety of less important projects, I was not able to actually to begin work on the present book until sometime in 1981. How long it has been. How much this book should have spread. In that year and the next, I completed the first draft of what are now the introduction and the first three chapters. In 1982, my wife, Edith Packer, a very famous psychologist, one of my favorite psychologists, and I, together with our friend Jerry Kirkpatrick, founded what later became known as the Jefferson School of Philosophy, Economics, and Psychology, TJS. I agreed to deliver 8 lectures on the institutions and functioning of a capitalist society for TJS's first summer conference, which was held the following year on the campus of the University of California, San Diego. Those lectures, which were fully written out, constituted the first draft of what are now chapters 4 and 9 and the first part of chapter 5. I love these details. Such details give humanity, humanness, reality. The writing out of my lectures for succeeding TJS summer conferences in 1985, 1987, and 1989, which were also held on the UCSD campus, represented drafts of what are now chapters 11 and 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. My 1986 TJS Fall Seminar lecture was the first draft of what is now chapter 20. Look at that research, passionate expression. When you teach, you learn a lot. I know that. Which bears the same title as the lecture, namely, Towards the Establishment of a Capitalist Society. This book is a lasting legacy of the TJS conferences and seminars. So it's almost like those legacy, the imprint of those seminars on this book. By 1990, my progress on the book had decisively outstripped my lecture preparations, and I was using material from the manuscript as the substance of my lectures. By this time, I at last had a complete draft of the book, which included an updated and expanded version of The Government Against the Economy as chapters 6, 7, and 8. Extensive editing, reorganization, and rewriting occupied another 5 years. This is scholarship, right? What a lovely life. with the result that the work that is offered now is as well organized, well written, and clear as I have been able to make it. This is the benefit for us now. We can get, actually, frankly, it's a cheat, because we can get all the wisdom which he put in there. You understand how much writer, a great thinker gives selfishly, but because of his passion. I want to say that a very important element in the pleasure I have derived from the writing of this book rested on my use of a personal computer. We underestimate technology, right? When I wrote The Government Against the Economy and when I began writing this book, I experienced it as me, a fountain pen and a yellow legal pad against the world. I fully believed, of course, that the pen is mightier than the sword, and that with my pen I would ultimately prevail. But however mighty is the pen, the personal computer is far mightier, and AI even more maybe if you use it properly. And every morning since the fall of 1983, when I entered my office and sat down at my desk, I would eagerly watch my computer as it went through its startup routine. My thought was in effect, here is this wonderful, extremely powerful machine that is my ally in the work I'm doing, and that makes the doing of it so much easier and more enjoyable. To me, as a writer, the personal computer is the greatest of all the remarkable goods supplied by capitalism, surpassing even the personal automobile in its contribution to the ease and enjoyment of life. Here comes his personal love. Without it, the writing of this book would probably not have been possible. Okay, this completes a lovely, almost like a story. The preface and the introduction also is all full like a story. In fact, this whole book is like a story. It's a long book, I agree, more than 600 and 700 pages, maybe I think more than that. But it will be a lovely journey if you forget the whole book. We concentrate on what we have read just now. So we have completed the first video of this great book. We have made a start. So this is going to be our fight against this world full of confusions, democratic socialism, capitalism, all confusions. First, we don't even know what we are talking about. Anyway, all that will be cleared, maybe cleared. Let's not come to conclusions before we have read the book. Let's have this journey, I'm saying. I've covered 7 minutes. Actually, I should have covered 5 to 6 minutes. It's okay. Next video will be 6 minutes. We'll stick to the text. I will not come between you and George Reisman as much as possible. Sometimes when tempted. And we'll enjoy this book. We'll really enjoy this journey together. Thank you so much.